traditional house design for your inspiration. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we showcase traditional house designs to inspire your next project. Whether you're a homeowner, architect, or interior designer, this channel is a treasure trove of timeless designs that blend classic charm with modern functionality. In each video, we take you on a virtual tour of meticulously crafted traditional houses, highlighting their architectural details, interior layouts, and exquisite craftsmanship. From cozy cottages nestled in picturesque landscapes to grand manor houses with stately facades, we feature a diverse range of traditional styles to suit different tastes and preferences. Our expert hosts provide insightful commentary on the unique features of each house, discussing the materials used, historical influences, and design principles that contribute to their timeless appeal. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of Georgian architecture, the rustic charm of a farmhouse, or the grace of a Victorian-era residence, our videos offer a wealth of inspiration for your own project. With a keen eye for detail, we showcase the intricate woodwork, ornate moldings, and decorative elements that define traditional design. We also explore the interior spaces, revealing cozy living rooms, inviting kitchens, luxurious bedrooms, and elegant dining areas. Our videos capture the essence of each house, giving you a sense of the lifestyle it offers and the possibilities for creating your dream home. If you're in need of ideas for exterior color schemes, landscaping designs, or interior decor choices, our channel provides a plethora of inspiration. We believe that traditional houses offer a sense of comfort, elegance, and timelessness that resonates with many homeowners. In this channel, we showcase a wide array of traditional house designs that embody classic elegance and timeless charm. From cozy cottages to sprawling estates, we feature stunning architectural styles from around the world, each with its unique character and appeal. Join us as we take you on virtual tours of meticulously designed traditional homes, exploring their exquisite details, interior layouts, and captivating exteriors. Our videos offer a close-up look at the craftsmanship, materials, and historical influences that shape these remarkable residences. Whether you're drawn to the graceful lines of Georgian architecture, the rustic beauty of a farmhouse, or the intricate details of Victorian design, our channel provides a wealth of inspiration. Discover the artistry of ornate woodwork, intricate moldings, and thoughtful spatial arrangements that define traditional house design. In each video, our knowledgeable hosts provide expert insights, discussing the key elements and design principles that make these homes stand out. From the grand entrance to the cozy nooks, we explore every corner, giving you a sense of the lifestyle and ambience these houses offer. Looking to create your perfect traditional home? Our channel covers exterior color schemes, landscaping ideas, and interior decor choices, helping you bring your vision to life. Whether you're an architect, interior designer, or simply a homeowner with a passion for timeless design, our videos will inspire and guide you on your journey. Join our community of design enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel. Let us be your source of inspiration as you embark on the exciting adventure of designing and building your traditional dream home. Subscribe to our channel and join our community of design enthusiasts. Let us inspire you with the beauty and sophistication of traditional house designs, helping you turn your vision into reality. Get ready to embark on a journey of architectural excellence and discover your perfect traditional home.